First up, say goodbye to cable entry headaches with the PFLITSCH CABseal system. This isn't your grandpa's cable gland. The CABseal system offers a modular design, allowing you to effortlessly route and seal cables of various sizes through enclosures. Imagine a world where cable management is actually enjoyable. That's what PFLITSCH delivers. Its innovative gel technology creates an impenetrable barrier against dust and moisture, ensuring long-lasting protection for your sensitive electronics. Whether you're working on industrial machinery or complex control panels, CABseal simplifies installation and provides a professional, reliable seal every single time. It's the future of cable entry, making complex wiring projects a breeze. Next, for all you bricklayers and builders, prepare to meet your new best friend, the Ox Pro Series Brick Rule. This isn't just a ruler, it's a precision instrument engineered to streamline brickwork. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, this rule is built to withstand the rigors of any job site. The standout feature is its integrated brick gauge, allowing for incredibly accurate course measurements and consistent spacing. No more guesswork or tedious calculations. The Ox Pro Brick Rule ensures perfectly aligned and spaced brickwork, saving you time and material. It's the secret weapon for achieving professional-level bricklaying with ease and precision. Now, let's talk organization with the Hultafors Workgear HT5544 Tradesman's Tool Bag. Forget flimsy bags that tear and spill. This is a fortress for your tools. Constructed from incredibly durable Cordura fabric, this bag is designed to endure the toughest job site conditions. It boasts a multitude of pockets and compartments, strategically placed for optimal organization and easy access to all your essentials. The reinforced base and heavy-duty stitching ensure it can handle heavy loads without compromising durability. Comfort is also key, with a padded shoulder strap and robust handles for effortless carrying, even when fully loaded. This tool bag is an investment in efficiency and longevity, keeping your tools safe, organized, and always within reach. For those working with fiber optics, precision is paramount, and that's where the Jonard Tools Fiber Optic Round Cable Slitter shines. This specialized tool is engineered for effortless and precise slitting of round fiber optic cables. Its adjustable blade depth ensures you can score the cable jacket without damaging the delicate fibers inside, preventing costly errors and signal loss. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for controlled and consistent slitting. Compact and lightweight, the 43000 is perfect for field use, making fiber optic cable preparation faster, safer, and more accurate. It's an indispensable tool for any fiber optic technician demanding precision and efficiency. Leather workers, listen up. Achieve professional edge, finishing with the master tool EZ Edge Strap Beveler. This meticulously crafted tool is designed to effortlessly bevel the edges of leather straps, creating a smooth, refined look. Its razor-sharp blade glides through leather, removing a consistent strip and leaving a perfectly beveled edge ready for burnishing. The ergonomic handle provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue, even during extended use. Whether you're crafting belts, straps, or any leather goods, this beveler elevates your work, adding that touch of professional quality that sets your creations apart. It's the secret to achieving flawless leather edges with minimal effort. Tired of wrestling with stubborn posts? Meet the Quik Pull, the premier post pulling and landscaping tool. This ingenious device transforms post removal from a back-breaking chore into a surprisingly easy task. Its robust steel construction and clever leverage design allow you to extract fence posts, signposts, and even small trees with minimal effort. Simply attach the Quik Pull to the post, and with a few easy pumps of the handle, even deeply set posts are lifted straight out of the ground. Say goodbye to digging, prying, and struggling. The Quik Pull saves you time, energy, and your back. It's the ultimate landscaping companion for anyone dealing with post removal. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier and more fun with the Kobalt Power Scrubber with extension handle. This isn't your average scrub brush. It's a battery-powered cleaning powerhouse that takes the elbow grease out of scrubbing. With its oscillating brush head and extension handle, you can effortlessly tackle grime and dirt in hard-to-reach places, from bathroom tiles to outdoor furniture. Multiple brush attachments cater to various cleaning tasks, making it incredibly versatile. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it provides cordless convenience and ample runtime for tackling big cleaning jobs. The Kobalt Power Scrubber turns tedious scrubbing into a breeze, leaving surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. For anyone who uses spray cans, The Matco MCHM MCHG magnetic spray can holder is a game changer for workshop organization. These deceptively simple magnetic holders provide a secure and convenient way to store spray cans right where you need them. Strong magnets adhere to any metal surface, toolboxes, workbenches, or even machinery, keeping your spray cans easily accessible and off cluttered surfaces. No more fumbling through drawers or knocking over cans. These holders streamline your workflow and keep your workspace tidy. Sold in a pack, they offer versatile storage solutions for various can sizes and types. It's a small but incredibly effective addition to any workshop, maximizing space and efficiency. Cutting through timber just reached a new level of efficiency with the Timber Pro Dry Diamond Core, 350 mm, 1 and 1 to 4 inches UNC female. This isn't your standard drill bit. It's a specialized diamond core bit, engineered for fast, clean, and dry cutting through wood. Its aggressive diamond segments effortlessly bore through timber, creating precise holes for pipes, cables, or ventilation. The dry cutting design eliminates the need for water cooling, saving time and mess on the job site. Built to withstand demanding use, the Timber Pro Core Bit delivers exceptional performance and longevity. For professional carpenters, electricians, and plumbers, this core bit is a must-have for tackling timber drilling tasks with speed and accuracy. Bring power wherever you go with the Skill PWR Core 40-volt 300-watt power inverter. This compact and portable inverter transforms your Skill 40V battery into a mobile power source. Plug in your laptops, phones, lights, or any device needing standard AC power directly from your tool battery. Perfect for job sites, camping, or emergencies, it provides convenient power on the move. Its lightweight and durable design makes it easy to transport and withstands demanding conditions. The Skill Power Inverter extends the versatility of your Skill 40V system, turning your tool batteries into a portable power station. Nailing in tight spots just got a whole lot easier with the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Palm Nailer, C12PN0. This compact and cordless nailer is designed to drive nails in locations where a traditional hammer simply can't reach. Powered by Milwaukee's M12 battery system, it delivers impressive power and runtime in a small form factor. Its ergonomic design and comfortable grip provide excellent control and reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Ideal for framing, remodeling, and punch-out work, the Milwaukee Palm Nailer is a game changer for working in confined spaces. It's the perfect blend of power and portability, making tough nailing jobs a breeze. Sanding just got smarter with the Diablo Sand Demon double-sided reusable hand. Sanding sheets. Forget flimsy sandpaper that clogs and tears. These sanding sheets are built to last and perform. Featuring a durable, reusable design, they can be rinsed and reused multiple times, saving you money and reducing waste. The double-sided grit offers versatility, allowing you to switch between coarse and fine grits without changing sheets. Their anti-clogging coating ensures efficient dust removal and prolonged sanding performance. From wood to drywall, Diablo Sand Demon sheets deliver a smooth, consistent finish and exceptional value. It's sanding innovation that truly makes a difference. For precise soldering on the go, check out the Fantic T1 Max Soldering Iron Kit. This compact and portable kit packs professional soldering power into a convenient package. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it heats up in seconds and provides adjustable temperature control for various soldering tasks. The kit includes multiple tips and accessories, making it versatile for electronics repair, DIY projects, and field work. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable and precise soldering even in tight spaces. The Fantic T1 Max is the ultimate portable soldering solution, putting professional-grade soldering in the palm of your hand. Heavy lifting just became incredibly convenient with the CM Battery Star battery-powered chain hoist. This revolutionary chain hoist eliminates the need for cords and pneumatic lines, offering true portability and freedom. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers reliable lifting power for loads up to a significant weight. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport and position, perfect for construction sites, maintenance work, and anywhere overhead lifting is needed without power access. The CM Battery Star combines power, portability, and safety, redefining what's possible in material handling. See the unseen with the Jonard tools. WiSpy CF200 Multi-Purpose Wireless Inspection Camera. This versatile inspection camera allows you to peer into tight spaces and diagnose problems without disassembly. Its flexible camera probe and wireless connectivity allow you to navigate and view images on your smartphone or tablet in real time. Built-in LED lighting illuminates dark areas, ensuring clear visibility. Ideal for HVAC, plumbing, automotive, and electrical work, the wispy CF200 helps you troubleshoot efficiently and effectively. It's your eyes in hard-to-reach places, making inspections faster and less invasive. Moving heavy materials on the job site just got a whole lot safer and easier with the Aardwolf fork-mounted vacuum lifting attachment. This ingenious attachment transforms your forklift into a powerful vacuum lifter, capable of handling large, non-porous materials like glass, metal sheets, and stone slabs. Its robust vacuum system provides a secure grip, minimizing the risk of damage and increasing efficiency. Installation is quick and easy, simply mounting onto standard forklift forks. The Aardwolf vacuum lifting attachment streamlines material handling, reduces manual labor, and enhances safety on construction sites and in warehouses. Its heavy lifting redefined, making challenging tasks manageable and secure. Take your workshop organization to the next level with the USAG 5116 ST Start Tool Trolley. This isn't just a tool cart. It's a mobile workstation designed for ultimate efficiency. Built with heavy-duty steel, it can withstand the demands of any professional environment. It features multiple drawers and compartments, providing ample storage for a wide range of tools and equipment. The robust wheels and ergonomic handle ensure smooth maneuverability around the workshop. The USAG tool trolley keeps your tools organized, mobile, and readily accessible, transforming your workspace into a model of efficiency. It's workshop organization perfected, putting everything you need right where you need it. Another incredible inspection tool is the Teslong NTS 700 Modular Tablet Inspection Camera. This advanced system takes visual inspection to a new level with its large detachable tablet display and interchangeable camera probes. The high-resolution tablet provides a crystal-clear view of inspection areas, while the modular probe system allows you to customize the camera for specific tasks. Record videos and capture images directly on the tablet for detailed documentation. Ideal for professionals in various fields, the Teslong NTS 700 offers unparalleled versatility and clarity in visual inspection. It's inspection technology at its finest, providing detailed insights with ease and precision. Finally, safety and accuracy are paramount when working with electrical systems, and the Hellerman Titan Phase Rotation Tester T890 delivers both. This essential tool quickly and reliably determines phase rotation in three-phase electrical systems, preventing potentially dangerous miswiring. Its robust and user-friendly design makes it easy to use in demanding industrial environments. Clear LED indicators provide instant phase rotation results, ensuring accurate readings every time. Compact and durable, the T890 is a must-have for electricians and technicians working with three-phase power. It's electrical safety and precision in a single, reliable device. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.